and welcome to my student-led conference. So during the first semester of humanities, I struggled with doing the Chinese packets, which are basically packets of questions that we got from our textbook. After reading our textbook, we answer these questions. And basically, I couldn't focus during these because after doing so many packets, it just got so boring. And we also did IXL so many times, and it was just really boring, and I couldn't focus because after doing that for a month, it gets so boring. But this semester, I feel like I've made my writing better and have a more descriptive vocabulary than last semester, because this semester I'm more interested by what we're doing. This is because our vocabulary words, we don't do IXL, we just write them down and then we study them for our next vocabulary test. Basically, we take those words, we don't just take random words, we take them from what we're reading in class that day. Either if it's from our book, like Facing the Line, which you just finished, or our textbook, while we're learning about Africa or India. So during science, I think I participated in my learning during the diffusion and osmosis unit because I asked a lot of questions to the teacher and other kids for help because it was the hardest unit in science so far, according to me. And in the beginning of the unit, I had absolutely no idea what was happening, so by asking a lot of questions, I finally started to get diffusion and osmosis. Something I'm proud of is the grade I got in the heart quiz because I got a 96%. I'm proud of this because I missed a couple of key days. I missed like the first week of that unit, but I still managed to understand everything. One way I've shown myself thinking and acting like a scientist this year was by doing the scientific method during science fair, because I made a hypothesis about which is the best chemical dispersant to clean up oil spills. I did the procedure of testing each chemical dispersant. I made observations of how the chemical dispersants were working against the oil, and I analyzed the data by counting how much oil was left after putting the chemical dispersant in the oil. And then we figured out that the best chemical dispersant is Vanish OxyClean, and that a chemical dispersant should have surfactants in it. And a goal I'd like to focus on for the rest of the year is not talking as much in class. In math, I'm an active learner because in class I ask a lot of questions, I answer questions during class, and I help other kids when they need help. I think I can improve in my learning by coming in for extra help when I don't understand the work. And I'm proud of the grade I got in the Unit 3 test, where I got a 96, and the other kids didn't get as good, because I've never gotten the best grade in class, so it made me happy. A way I can improve in math is my behavior, because I talk to people a lot, which gets me in trouble. And I also feel like I need to improve in proper form, because it's really complicated to me and I don't really get it. Thank you.